Hello friends, this is Alexey. Hope that all of you had wonderful winter holidays break and are ready for new challenges this year like I am. To put you in the right mood, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Toshiba Electronic Devices and Storage Corporation has started mass production of two N-channel MOSFETs. These two modules are 60-volt devices. These new products are qualified with the automotive reliability standard. In addition, the maximum on resistance is reduced by about 60% compared to Toshiba's current products, contributing to power saving of automotive equipment. Housed in a low inductive package and featuring Mitsubishi 1200V Generation 7 chips for 1500V DC link applications up to 1 MW, this VINcoNPC's neutral point clamp module superior design comes with many benefits. Connections are optimized for 3-level topologies, simplifying the bus bar design. The symmetrical layout serves to share current uniformity and distribute temperature evenly to extend component life. The outstanding power density and efficiency enables more compact designs. High power density, optimized performance, and ease of use are key requirements when designing modern power systems. To offer practical solutions for design challenges in end applications, INFINEON Technologies launched the new generation of OptiMOS source-down power MOSFETs. They come in a power quad flat no-lead package and a wide voltage class ranging from 25 to 100 V. This package sets a new standard in power MOSFET performance, offering high efficiency, higher power density, superior thermal management, and low bill of material. Compared to standard drain-down concept, the latest source-down package technology enables a larger silicon die in the same package outline. In addition, the losses contributed by the package, limiting the overall performance of the device, can be reduced. SkyWater Technology and Applied Novel Devices announced a major industry breakthrough with new transistor technology that offers significant benefits for fast-switching power conversion applications. The power MOSFETs offer 2 times lower output charge, near-zero reverse recovery, and ultra-low output capacitance enabled by Applied Novel Devices proprietary channel engineering technology. In addition, these power MOSFETs offer superior specific on resistance at gate drive as low as 2.5 V as well as low leakage currents and near-ideal sub-threshold slope made possible by Applied Novel Devices device architecture. These characteristics can substantially reduce parasitic losses encoded in power management systems. This will improve power management and conversion efficiency in numerous applications including data centers, automotive, electric motor drives, microinverters for renewable energy systems, and many others in industrial and consumer markets. The Institute of Microelectronics at the Agency for Science, Technology and Research and Soitec announced a research collaboration to develop next-generation silicon carbide semiconductor devices to power electric vehicles and advanced high-voltage electronic devices. Under the collaboration, the parties will leverage Soitec's proprietary technologies such as Smart Cut and Institute's pilot production line to create 200 mm diameter silicon carbide semiconductor substrates. The joint research will contribute towards developing a holistic silicon carbide ecosystem and boost semiconductor manufacturing capabilities in Singapore and the region. The research collaboration is planned to run until mid-2024. TANAKA Holdings announced that its subsidiary TANAKA Denshi Kogyo, which is engaged in the production of various types of bonding wires, will establish a new plant in Hangzhou City, China, for the production of aluminum bonding wires for power semiconductors. The plant is scheduled to commence operations in November 2022. Construction of this new plant forms part of TANAKA Denshi Kogyo's plans to increase its production capacity for aluminum bonding wires by approximately 3-fold by 2025, in order to meet the growing global demand associated with the growth of power semiconductors. Diodes, a global semiconductor manufacturing supplier, partnered with Taiwanese automobile and motorcycle electromechanical system integration company Sentec to jointly hold the opening ceremony of their joint venture DiodSent, which is expected to invest in the development of third-generation semiconductor automotive power modules and participate in the design of hybrid electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and electric vehicles. Diodes chairman, president, and CEO stated that Diodes and Sentec participated in 6 months of marathon discussions and communication to jointly establish DiodSent. This joint venture combines Diodes' R&D and innovation capabilities in the field of automotive chips and Sentec's experience in key heat dissipation materials and packaging technologies to enhance the added value of electric vehicle-related power modules and break the monopoly of major international manufacturers. Diodes SVP said that DiodSent's short-term goal is to set up a production line with initial plans to establish a quality control system in Shanghai and other production lines in Taiwan. Annual production capacity is planned to be approximately 100,000 modules. The company's goal is to expand production capacity to 500,000 modules within 3 years to enter Europe and China's mini vehicle power module supply chain and then prepare to win orders for electric vehicles from major international European and American manufacturers. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market updates coming next week. Meanwhile, go to Marketing Cycle website for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.